Asiada Uguso Shani Uguso Wapumdin Mo and some Presidential Advisor on Health, Dr. Nsiah Asare. And he was some Rashibeja for Mre Ason se Corneal Transplant. Any transplant a hood will be. I was say a shani jitum my mono, one more enche. Now one fanye a juma. Na one more here beano. And we hear Bremono, one more to me, and ye being fans so on we are here. Adom TV, it was so.
Corneal akwabi ewo nipa ni so a se fimba so anase su twitwiri a emanifraye na agese animdifo operation de saa akwa na bi esesa no ansana onipa no asene hunade biu na no animdifo kiremu a agese obi a wawuo de ene obetumi de asesa otiasefo ne de amane hunade biu na eno enenam so Ophthalmological Society of Ghana any HCP cure blindness a ekuo bi a ensha abanyase ewo US mamu aka won ho abomu a waye Corneal Transplant Summit idin kan kora ewo mamu na dwumade na se no no wakiremu se Ghana hanom no ye wapomudin mu nimdifo a wonom etumi asa operation yi bie nanso emra wo behye sebeye bema animdifo yi ho kwan amoatimi ayo operation no enya de si ewo bie ewo mayimu medina se no na Dr. Nsiah Asare oyo manpanyin futufo ewo apomuden ho nsem so ekira kwan a obetumi afa so aboa ama samrei watumi ahye
Ophthalmological Society of Ghana together with ACP Cure Blindness have organized a first summit to prevent blindness, especially blindness from corneal scars, which is curable. There are about 26,000 people from their estimates who are blind because of corneal scars. And corneal scars are treated by corneal transplant. So it means you take organ, the eye, the cornea or the covering of the eye from somebody who has died or have an accident, who has donated the eye, to replace it to the other one who has the scar. And once you do it, you get total recovery of their eyesight.
And what na HCP Cure Blindness Country Director Dr. James Adi and Sudin Semsi etwaso.
Tissue and say we na yebefano. Premtobre Kasee we have only 6 hours and I say wo enhwe nsia. I say yentumi enyi enfri nipa no ho asay. Nti bia nipa no wu ya o say hospital no efre omo a o metumi aba befa no and I say busua no ebetumi afra omo a o befa no ma befa. Premtobre Kasee within 6 hours. Na yesi nya ne sa so ayewo na wotwumi no a o say edema obi foforo. Anyesa asay.